Fire changed our very survival. The invention of writing redefined memory. The computer revolutionized speed and calculation. But today, something even more profound is happening all around us. We are living through what many are calling the cognitive revolution, a moment in time where artificial intelligence isn't just improving our tools. It's fundamentally changing the way our own minds work. For thousands of years, human thought evolved slowly, methodically. We learned through repetition, through direct experience. And through endless trial and error, ideas were passed down from one generation to the next like a slow-moving river, gradually carving their path through culture. But then, suddenly, everything accelerated. Within just a few years, AI has put human thought into overdrive in a way we've never witnessed before. Tasks that once consumed hours can now be
Throughout
completed
human
in
history,
seconds. Certain breakthroughs
skills
have
that once
completely
required
reshaped
years of
how we
dedicated
think. Practice can now be accessed by anyone. The human mind is no longer solely limited by its own memory, its innate skill, or its natural speed. We have entered a new era of thinking. Artificial intelligence has rapidly evolved beyond being just another tool. It has become a thinking partner, a digital companion that assists us in writing, designing, analyzing complex data, calculating, translating languages, creating art, and solving intricate problems when we interact with AI. We are not just using a piece of software, we are actively extending our own mental capacity. We are outsourcing the heavy lifting of memory, the complexities of planning, and even the initial sparks of creativity to an intelligence that thinks alongside us. This is the very essence of the cognitive revolution for the first time in history. Humans are no longer thinking alone. This partnership has thrown open the doors to a new universe of creativity. Artists are now generating breathtakingly detailed images in seconds from a simple text prompt. Writers are building entire worlds and storylines from a single starting sentence. Musicians are composing intricate melodies without ever touching an instrument. Students who once struggled with certain subjects are now learning faster and more effectively than ever before. And people with zero technical background are designing websites, editing professional-looking videos, and even launching businesses, all from their phones. AI is not replacing human creativity. It is amplifying it on a massive scale. It's making it possible for anyone, regardless of background or training, to express their ideas visually, musically, and intellectually with almost no barriers. This is, without a doubt, the most accessible and democratic creative era in human history. So how exactly is AI changing the human mind? We can see some major shifts happening right now. First, there's an incredible increase in our mental speed. We can think faster because AI handles the slow, tedious steps for us. Brainstorming sessions that once took hours of whiteboarding can now generate hundreds of ideas in minutes. Second, we have an expanded perspective. AI can show us connections, patterns, and potential solutions that our own brains might never notice. It helps us think beyond our personal biases and limitations. Third, we see improved precision. AI acts as a vigilant second brain, helping to reduce errors in our logic, our writing, our planning, and our data analysis. It enhances the accuracy of our decisions. And fourth, we experience a greater creative breadth. AI allows us to explore thousands of creative possibilities almost instantly. Our minds become more flexible, more imaginative, and more open to novelty. These first shifts are fundamentally reshaping how we learn, how we make decisions, and how we understand the world around us. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, a fascinating psychological shift is taking place. Humans are moving away from being information storage units and toward becoming information strategists. We no longer need to memorize vast quantities of facts and figures. Instead, our cognitive energy is shifting toward mastering the art of asking the right questions, thinking critically about the answers we receive, and creatively using knowledge to build something new. This transition is remarkably similar to what happened after the invention of writing. But it's happening on a dramatically accelerated timeline. Our mental habits are literally evolving in real time, right before our eyes. But of course, every great revolution comes with its own set of risks, and we must be keenly aware of them. Over-reliance on AI can make us mentally lazy. It has the potential to weaken our attention spans and our patience if we use it without discipline. It can become a powerful vehicle for spreading misinformation if people blindly accept everything it generates without critical thought. And it can diminish our capacity for deep, contemplative thinking if we turn to it for every single answer. But the solution to these risks is not fear or rejection. The solution is responsible use, a commitment to critical thinking, and the steadfast application of human judgment. We must learn to be the masters of this technology, not its servants. The future is not a battle of humans versus machines. The future is a partnership of humans working with machines. AI brings to the table incredible speed, vast memory, and powerful analytical capabilities. Humans bring emotion, ethics, intuition, nuanced creativity, and a sense of purpose together. These two forms of intelligence create something entirely new, a hybrid intelligence. This human-AI collaboration, is poised to reshape every field imaginable, from science and education to technology and art, unlocking a new level of human potential that we are only just beginning to comprehend. The cognitive revolution is not a far-off, futuristic concept. It is here now. It is actively transforming how we think, how we learn, how we create, and how we perceive reality itself. This is not just another technological update. This is a mental evolution for our entire species. The question we face now is not whether AI will change humanity. That is already happening. The real question is, how will we choose to use this new, incredible power to shape a better future? Welcome to the cognitive revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this thought-provoking, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on how technology is changing our world.